howls loud through the frozen pines. Mama stirs the pot, her hands marked by time. Snowflakes dance on the window pane, trapped inside this endless white plain. The fire crackles low, the logs burn slow, shadows stretch long in the evening glow. No tracks outside, just a silent night. The moon don't shine, the stars hide tight. Oh, winter's grip won't let me go. Mama's kitchen's warm, but the cold still grows. Another season lost in the snow. No place to run, no place to go. The kettle sings a lonesome tune. Steam rises up like a ghost in a room. Mama hums a song from years gone by, echoes of laughter now just a sigh. The clock ticks on, the hours drag. Frozen fields, a tattered flag. The road's asleep beneath their eyes. Dreams are buried, pay the price. Kitchen's warm, but the cold still grows. Another season lost in the snow.